Easily manage customer returns directly from your Howmuch POS dashboard. Just select Sales Return to initiate the process quickly. A dedicated search bar lets you efficiently locate any order by its number, ensuring you can quickly find the exact transaction needed. This saves valuable time, eliminating tedious manual searches. Alternatively, you can access comprehensive order history through the Options menu on the New Order screen, providing flexible transaction retrieval. From the detailed order history, simply choose the relevant transaction and click the Return Sale action. This immediate access to return functionality streamlines your workflow, improving efficiency. The customer return interface automatically populates all item details and calculates the exact return amount. This ensures accuracy and simplifies the entire refund process for you. Clearly document the return reason in the dedicated notes field, enhancing transparency and record keeping. This step ensures all details are captured for a smooth, accountable return process. Watch as the system swiftly processes your return request, preparing data and creating the new return order in real time. A successful authorization message confirms your return is complete, validating the transaction. Now you're ready for seamless new sales with confidence.